everyone, welcome to flowindata channel, and today I'm going to show you how to count number of lines in a file in PHP. So let's start. First we will make the variable file and we will write base name, and inside of this we will write $_server and PHP self. This base name, it helps to get the current page file name. Now the next thing we will do is we'll write number of lines, and to get the number of lines of our current page we will write count, and then we'll write file, and inside of this we will write the variable file name. Okay, now we will write echo there are num of lines in our file. So let's save this, reload it. Then you can see there are 5 lines in index.php. So index.php is our current page name. Okay, so you can see here $file contains base name $server PHP self. It gets the current page file name. Okay, and this count file, it counts the number of line in this page right now. So you can see here the number of line is 5. Okay, so that's why you get there are 5 lines in index.php. Very simple. You count the number of lines in a file in PHP. Thank you for being with us. See you in the next video.